So I'm going to tell you why you don't receive OTP from Amazon. The truth is, I receive. Let me just try sign in so that I receive an OTP immediately from Amazon. So let me see if it's a problem to everyone. So they're going to ask for OTP once you're done. Okay. So just trying to make sure I am getting the right thing. Sorry. So I'm going to sign in now and see if I get signed in. All right, you see, I've signed in very easily. So I'm going to tell you why you don't get OTP in Amazon and how to go about it so that you can get like the way I just got mine. So first of all, from Amazon, this is one stuff they talked about, the troubleshooting aspect of Amazon, which is the side. It said, if you don't receive an OTP, try this step. Make sure you have a good cell or Wi-Fi signal. Check that you have provided us with correct phone number. Check didn't receive the OTP and get a new. All these, they don't work because currently Amazon has a big problem trying to sign in with your phone number. You can't even receive OTP when you try all these stories written in this their website. Another one I see a lot of people searching, it's the same stuff they get when they search. From their suggestion from Google, it said it could be that the phone number used on your Amazon account is not active. Might be partially true anyway, but I really don't think that's true. Some have even gone online trying to download stuff from Google Play. Some have searched and searched online. Some went to get a Amazon shopping app. Some went ahead and even download Amazon FBA and all stuff trying to bypass, but still it didn't work well. That's not really so. Another one here, I think it's due to network issues, but depending on your country, currently Amazon have been having issue. I don't know. They're trying to verify phone numbers. Some say some have been banned. Some Pakistan said they've been banned. Nigeria said they have been banned. A lot of searching online, Amazon stuff, not receiving stuff, two-step verification, and all stuff, and all stuff. Now it's totally simple to do. Right here on my YouTube channel, I've made a video called Amazon OTP not received in Nigeria. How to fix country code not support. So from this channel, just check the link at the description. There should be something, a link that shows you that, but let me even show you how to do it myself. All right, first of all, if you really want to do this, you have to first of all go straight to amazon.com. Yes, so when you get to amazon.com, the website just like this, and show you just in this way, amazon.com, then you move on to your account like this. Click on it. If you're on smartphone, it should be smaller than this. Like, let me make it smaller and see how it is on smartphone, because they're almost the same on smartphone. So you have something like this, I think. So when you click on this, okay, I'm trying to find the best way on this aspect. Okay, so we have this your profile, your list, more and more. Let me come to the side. Login and security, very very important. So I'm going to have my full screen. So click on login and security. Then you're going to open and ask you two questions. So from here, we don't have phone number. If you try to add mobile numbers, you might not receive it. So you can try that as well and just put in your numbers. But if it doesn't work, this is where you have to put your two-step verification. So over here now, what I'm going to do is try manage this and do something about it. So first of all, we have to use this second method called an authenticator app. So we need this app if we really want to do stuff. So you go straight to this place and find one of these authenticator. Preferably, I advise you use your phone to download Google authenticator. So this is very very important. So let's just search through this query and see what comes up. So when it comes up, install these on your PC, sorry, on your smartphone, either for iPhone users, iOS, or Android. Just install these and you're ready. So now what you do now is, if you're trying to create an account from scratch, let's say you're trying to create a fresh account and you've added your stuff and they ask you for OTP, come straight to the website, whether on your smartphone, just open it and change to desktop mode. So if you're on your smartphone, change to desktop mode, then go straight to your account, move there to account and click on account even when they ask you for OTP. So type amazon.com, then come to login and security. They're going to tell you to like this. They're going to direct you immediately to this place where you can add your two-step verification. Very, very easy. So what you do is to add your two-step verification and authenticate the app very easily. So when you enroll that, it's just so simple. So this video here guides you on how to do that so that you don't make mistake. So I believe that's one of the easiest way to solve this not receiving OTP using the Google Authenticator app. Alright guys, if this video is helpful and you've watched the other one, don't forget to subscribe and like and share to your friend so that they itself can do the same thing. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial.